Saludos y bienvenidos a Comunidad Motor. Hoy estamos ante uno de esos momentos que marcan un antes y un después en la historia de una marca. Toyota y Lexus han decidido mirar de frente al futuro del alto rendimiento con una trilogía que resume su ambición deportiva, con la puesta en escena del GR GT, el GR GT3 y el Lexus LFA Concept, presentado como Premier Mundial. No se trata solo de prototipos llamativos, sino de una declaración de intenciones clara y contundente. Por un lado, Gazoo Racing reafirma su compromiso con la competición y la ingeniería extrema, trasladando la experiencia acumulada en circuitos y campeonatos internacionales a vehículos pensados para la calle y la pista. El GR GT y el GR GT3 representan esa conexión directa entre el automovilismo de alto nivel y el desarrollo de deportivos de nueva generación, con aerodinámica avanzada, estructuras ligeras y mecánicas diseñadas para rendir al límite. Y en paralelo, Lexus recupera uno de los nombres más legendarios de su historia, el LFA. Este concept no es una simple reinterpretación del pasado, sino una visión moderna del superdeportivo japonés, combinando lujo, tecnología y una filosofía centrada en las emociones al volante. En conjunto, estas tres presentaciones dejan claro que Toyota no solo quiere competir, quiere liderar la nueva era del rendimiento y la pasión por conducir. Suscríbete al canal y disfruta de este contenido.
So what do you think about these? The GR GT and its race car sibling, the GR GT3, will be joined by the all-new Lexus LFA Concept here to form the sports car apex for both Lexus and GR. All from one race-bred platform, true to GR's promise of pushing the limits for better and contributing to the entire Toyota group. And all part of Akio's promise of no more boring cars. Now, the GT3 category, where the story of these three cars begins, is all about making cars for people who want to win, for professionals and also privateer racers. For everybody, it all starts with speed. Without speed, there's nothing. For the GR GT3 race car, 4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine, completely rigid aluminium space frame, an incredibly low center of gravity, state-of-the-art aerodynamics, all the critical elements are in place. But speed in itself is not everything. The race is much more than the home straight. And the real art is how you control that speed. In a real-life situation, as our master driver Morizo likes to say, it all comes down to kaiwa. A conversation between driver and car. The GT3 is engineered to give you confidence in all situations, to feel reassured that the conversation, even at the limits, in the severest of situations, it's all about the car giving you the feedback that you need to guide you in making split-second decisions. Fluent communication, knowing how the car will respond so that there are no misunderstandings, bringing out the best in your abilities so you can push the car and yourself even further. The GR GT speaks to both types of driver, the professional driver and the recreational driver, whether that's two different people or you and your alter ego. Now, an integral part of any conversation with a car is sound, not only during acceleration, but deceleration and braking. To understand the importance of this, look no further than 30 minutes drive from here to Fuji Speedway and the transition from the home straight into the first tight corner. To brake as late as possible, deeper, faster, and power out with confidence following your ideal line. This may be the first time that we focus not only on the sound a car makes when you put your foot down, but the visceral, guttural sound when you take your foot off. But the conversation you have on an ordinary street is different. The GR GT road car, with the same V8 twin-turbo, but with hybrid power, shares the DNA of its racing counterpart more than any other car we've ever made. For this, the team worked not only at the limits of a car, but at the limits of the development process. production car test drivers working hand in hand with racing drivers. This is a circuit-ready, everyday driver. Wild on a track day, easy to drive around town. Take it for a stint at the track, stop at a nice restaurant on the way home. From dynamics all the way down to minute decisions in seating position, this is a car designed to cover all the bases. Now, Akio loves motorsports. In a race team, there is no hierarchy. When it comes down to it, everyone is in the pits together. These three cars will work as a team to bring the emotion of driving to both veteran racers and new generation of car lovers. Whether it's the V8 twin-turbo in the GR GT3 or the hybrid version in the GR GT, both running on either conventional fuel or e-fuel or an electric future in the LFA. These cars represent a commitment to keep the joy of driving at the limits of human capabilities alive for the next generation, nurturing technology and people to create a new era of driving euphoria. Just as Naruse-san brought his wisdom from the Toyota 2000 GT to the LFA and passed it on to a new generation of test drivers. Ladies and gentlemen, over the last 14 years, not only Lexus and GR, but all Toyota Group brands have undergone a transformation. The emotional side has come back to the company, whether that's in terms of driving dynamics, engineering, production, or my field of design. There's been a fundamental change in the company mindset. How a car looks, how it feels, it's all subjective. But in the pits, as one team, with Akio as master driver, we have the license to do what needs to be done to translate each car's story into reality. And even though he's pushing 70, this year, Akio Toyoda went back to where it all began 20 years ago, driving in the Nürburgring 24 hours. And I can guarantee one thing. With these three cars in front of him, he'll not be able to stay away for many years to come. And equally, there was no way he could miss the chance to be here today. Ladies and gentlemen, Akio Toyoda.
Years
30 years ago, Naruse-san and I, just the two of us, were making cars. Little by little, like-minded members joined the effort, and finally, when the LFA was completed, Naruse-san, in a big smile that I've never seen before, said, "It's the first time I was able to drive Nürburgring just looking ahead." Till then, we were constantly being overtaken by other cars, and now we had a car to overtake others. I could feel how truly happy he was. That didn't mean that our kuyashisa or humiliation went away. LFA went to volume production, but it was a limited volume production. We started to win races, but it was about becoming first rank in class. There was still many cars that was faster than us. I could hear people saying, "No way that you guys at Toyota could build a car like this." I will never forget that feeling of humiliation. And that pain is definitely the force that drives me even now. And one day, 15 years ago, suddenly, I succeeded the role of master driver. Naruse-san left me with the secret sauce for making cars, the sauce we made from our pain of humiliation. There was another thing that he left me, which were a few fellow colleagues who shared that agony. We used that pain and frustration as our driving force and continued our focus on simply making ever better cars. The GR 86, GR Supra, GR Yaris, GR Corolla, the hydrogen engine, Super Tycoon, Nürburgring, and now these cars. At Toyota today, I now have so many like-minded fellow colleagues who are making cars with a shared conviction. To these fellow colleagues, I want to entrust our car-making endeavor, and I want to work together with these fellows to make cars so that our secret sauce can be passed on to the future generations. And I hope you can continue to count on us that we will keep you excited. My life has been a continuation of battles. And the role that I found through those battles is to be the last person to protect the others. Not my role as president or chairman, but to make sure that my fellow colleagues can evacuate to a safe place so that they will be able to hone their skills and be able to fight back even stronger. I'm the one who will protect them, so make sure that they will be able to have that environment. Morzo will still continue and stay up and running until I fall down. Thank you so much for coming today.